Hello, good evening everyone. Today I'm gonna show you my IT project management PowerPoint presentation. Today I just want to do the speech on the basis of the project that I did for this class throughout a whole this semester. Here is my final summation or final outcome of the project that I'm gonna show you today. So first of all, I want to go to the introduction page of the project. So as you can see, the topic of my project is planting a garden. Planting a garden is one of the awesome scenario that itself gives a meaningful reason. Now I just want to go to the next slide where I have the project proposal of my project. Basically, it is obvious that planting a garden is something that most of the people likes to do. As you can see, garden will also provide opportunity to many people so that they can socially and professionally engage their time, money, and their value. I think I have seen from the couple of years that many people take planting as the easier thing to do. But in reality, planting a garden it is a so much big deal because we need to have to go to various kind of step, various kind of process. So I think uh, if we go for planting a garden, then we need to take care of the plant also in the proper way that we take care of our body, because plant is also just like a living being like us. So project proposal it is also one of the kind of document that we submit to the contractor when we initiate the project. It helps to outline the budget and the project deadlines, when to submit the budget, and in what time interval we need to accomplish what type of tasks. Everything as a part of the project in a detail is mentioned over there. So it can be also regarded as one of the shortcut output or shortcut view of the project. Now after that, I want to go to the second slide where I have shown the network diagram of the project. Uh, as you can see, I have divided different tasks in the project, and according to the tasks, I have also divided various kind of people who is assigned with their different roles. So in the network diagram you can see there's a different kind of activities and the different kind of time interval that is shown to do that activities. The various step that goes for planting a garden project is mentioned in my network diagram, as you can see in the clear way. After that, I want to go little bit forward to the resource use section that is on the next slide. So when talking about the resource uses, you can see that ISO the people is responsible for different kind of their own specific tasks. There is various member engaged with the tasks, and they are given with their specific role, and every task should be done in the chronological and in the systematical order so that there won't come any issues later in the project. After that, I want to show you my overview of the team planner that I have for this project. In this team planner, there are various people who has been engaged in the project, and also we you can see in this chart there is a different dates and days of the week that has been scheduled to do the specific tasks. After this, I want to go to the next slide, which contains resource seed. In this chart, you can see it announce the information regarding the completion status of the project, along with the history of all the group member with their respective pay, and also their overtime pay. Because as you can see, um, any of the member are willing to do work more, than they are always welcome, and then like they can put their more time or invest their time to give more focus on the project. So in this chart, the money and their overtime pay is mentioned over here. After that, you can see the overview of Gantt chart and various list of the tasks that has been assigned to the people on the different time frame in the chronological order. So you can see there is a lot of tasks that has been separated in the order wise, which need to be done in the different time interval in different dates. So you can see a lot of people who is involved in the tasks are also shown clearly in the Gantt chart. After this, I want to move next slide, which contains report overview. In this report overview section, you can see that there are various number of people that has been engaged in the tasks, and also it shows their report, like uh, the percentile or their ability of finishing the task is also mentioned over here. So it is always important to evaluate and select the right and eligible person for the certain task, because only the eligible person know how to deal with that issues properly. Also, we have altogether the 7 people engaged in this task, who is Salman, Sandeep, Shahrukh, Sidra, Sarah, Ziggy, and Honey. After this, you can see resource over allocation scenario, where it is clearly mentioned about the over allocation of the resources overview, which can occur if we are not assigned any task in the chronological order or in the proper and similar time frame. Also, resource obligation state that when time and tasks of the various members are overlapped, then it might result a great trouble in the project. But in this project, everything has been planned in the proper manner with my teammates, where we cannot see any types of resource obligation. Also, we need to be sincere and careful while assigning any task, cause later over allocation will provide the confusion, and there might be any misunderstanding between the team members. After that, I want to step towards the cost report section of the project. So you can see here the tax cost overview chart that I have mentioned over here. it shows the detailed information of the uh, task cost to do specific things in the project. After this, I want to go to the resource cost overview graph. In this section, you can see the resource cost that has been estimated or evaluated for the project, where the resource, whether it might be for the people or might be for doing any of the things that is associated with the project, is clearly mentioned over here. So it's the graph also shows how much money will be spent in the specific tasks for the project, will be clearly identified through resource cost overview graph. After this, I want to go to the next slide, which contains cost overruns. In the cost overruns, we can see that there is a variance graph which shows the cost variance of all the major tasks in the project. The graph also shows the cost variance of all the tasks from the beginning stage to the final stage. This statistical data plays the vital role to determine and allocate the actual budget for the project. So it is a important graph that shows and helpful for budgeting point of view also. After that, I wanna go to the next slide, which contains my final overview or final explanation, or can be a feedback that I have mentioned after doing this project. So it is like a personal statement slide. In the personal statement, I just want to say that from this class, I have gained a lot of knowledge that there is a significant role and responsibility of the project manager for successful operation of any project. Also, I think I have learned various skills regarding proper planning, proper evaluation, allocation, and estimation of the available resources, which is essentially required for doing any of the project. I want to say that to accomplish or to finish any task in the proper way, it needs to be done in the chronological and sequential order. So also I have learned the different knowledge of how to use Microsoft project and how to make a project proposal while we initiate any kind of project. And also from this class, I have learned some of the various important role, responsibility, duty, and significant importance of any project manager in operating any kind of project. So by saying this, I want to end up my speech. Thank you very much. Hope you like my speech. Thank you.